Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert an image onto Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer, the application, software, photo editor, Adobe Photoshop, and access to an image. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Photoshop, wait for that to load up. And then now we can start a new project. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, create new, a name for your project, photo edit. The width can be, let's say, 1500 by 1500 again. And we're using pixels. We can change this if required to. However, we are using pixels. Now press OK. So that itself starts the project to bring in an image now. Decrease the size of Photoshop. We have an image on the desktop. Hold the image, drag onto the white background of your project. And now we can increase the size of the image. So now we have officially inserted the image to Photoshop, which is ready for editing. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.